Welcome, you're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Taekwondo Association Tura organizes a Taekwondo Championship. 28 international diplomats to visit Shillong in the G20. Demand for separate state emphasized by the GSMC East Garo Hills district. And SDRF on intense duty to recover dead bodies trapped under rocks. The West Garo Hills Taekwondo Association, in collaboration with the District Sports Officer of Tura, organized a Taekwondo Championship in which more than 100 junior participants from the 5 districts of Garo Hills participated. The Taekwondo Championship was organized for 2 days, that is on the 14th and 15th of April, and aimed at providing a platform for young Taekwondo enthusiasts to display their skills and compete with other talented players from the region. A large number of participants competed in various weight categories, including flyweight, bantamweight, featherweight, lightweight, and welterweight. The bouts were intense, with participants giving their all to win and advance to the next round. With the conclusion of the tournament, the winners were awarded with medals and certificates for their outstanding performances. The All Garo Hills Sports Association's president, Shri Eugene K. Sama, encouraging the participants, mentioned that they selected players and they competed in Shillong to represent the state in national level. He added that the association had approached the government for setting up of indoor stadium to help polish the interested and talented players.
Eugene K. Marak mga, ang 15 black belt, aro international master, aro daw at present ang ni status de ang first class national referee, aro Meghalaya Taekwondo Association ni senior vice president. Aro West Garo Hills Taekwondo Association ni President. Sekarang kepa cengara All Garo Hills Taekwondo Association Sub Junior ni Championship ko ngata for the first time. Tau inora cengara chanci jam banggi je student san ungai ke nemang da ora sasa bacok student an. Sasa batem ungani ke cengara titi somai nanga. Aro awas kawan titi North Garo Hills aro East Garo Hills rang ni sengkenang sokpa jani men bisong ko cengeng mong titir utang ha. Ina kisa taon na kengkeng sa matot ko jenga aro kenal lo dongkuinga program de. Salgani ontong ada almang aro kenal. 14 and 15 April. District nin bakra je an district ko donga cham je kai North Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, West Garo Hills. Ya san kabar ngai ngade tao South Garo Hills te kabar ngkuja. Aba cengna chancinga cengam kang ngci South Kobar anade chancinga. Nade chance te dunga bista mana dedicated sportsman lang khatna de manaya je biya bo infrastructure dongja ginche mo ba je biap chonna ba practice khao de bisong time ko bisong jakhalna manno de je kai chanci pe salo bisong khantha chetrang prengo khantabri athamo khantabri rang practice ka ginche mo de bisong yang na mangen national championship ba gold medal manna ba manaya international level of yang naman na ya. Hindi ba may ba pangchaka? Ya sports person pangchaka bisong may dagyan tangtang ko time jakal naman gen. May school ba pare na college bi na gen. Un baksa na ya sports ko ba activities ko ba bisong somay na nang genero. Daw ni age group te sangade sub junior do ko na 7 years of age to 11 years of age ko san kalatay nga.
Prize money ba prize micro
prize te chade money di dong phaja diba gold medal dunga skang pana ar silver medal gni pana ar gatham pana de bronze medal dunga yanuni wa Shillong khala Shillong de changade wa state represent karna de Shillong ko select karunga ununi select kaya manusa wa national level ne di ang naman aro ar basa ko bari changa nage may barangona surrounding jekai Assam yerangona riangi khala deba maximum unofficial game deba student nang ko promote kana gata practice ka gata takke changar mangrungar Assam rangona ba chande chanchi ngam chinga ya belchini gise pon gapan category rang ko ba jekai cadet junior senior rang dongkuinga chanchi ngam deba mai bo sa phangsaka ya tangka pasarang manode bunga taman gencem yes government ko approach ka acham khade niba government ni onarang basa ko di chungja chenga sumai ka manja aro o pilo ya o bisong ya Government singna stadium dengtangko rukna minga. Ini ba aba singkuja daw isum plan di tunga. Ai da nga chansia ya bel sini kise pa matsot na ba tunga kon. Indoor stadium ko matsot ngodi singa ba uno practice kara mangin jamaro. Halga barang mo pangsaka. Mena nambat ko student nang ba bade ba category ni dong khata. Bade ba performance nambata bade ba namja taka. Ini keman akan nanti manja. They were expecting nambat ko ba player ang khat na ba tunga.
Citizens of Meghalaya, especially of the capital, are eagerly waiting for the G20 conference to be held in Shillong. The Principal Secretary of Planning Department, Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed, on the 15th of April, informed the media persons that the G20 conference is approaching and, excitingly, Shillong will witness the assembly of 28 international diplomats on the 17th and 18th of April, that is in 2 days' time. Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed added that Meghalaya should grasp the opportunity to display its cultural diversity, natural beauty and simplicity to the rest of the world. G20 meeting is going to be one of the world's largest conferences ever held in Shillong. With the capital as the host, the government is at its stores doing what can to be done to run the preparation for the important days effectively.
Chief Secretary sir is slightly preoccupied, so I'm just sort of being in his shoes. Just to sort of introduce you all to the Space Economy Leaders Meeting, which is part of the G20 Jan Bhagidari thing happening across the country. We are fortunate that Shillong has been selected as a venue for such a major event, wherein we expect about 28 diplomats from various countries and more than 100 delegates also participating, including technocrats. It would be a rare occasion and opportunity for the state to showcase our own unique culture, our natural beauty, our own cuisine, and most sought after cleanliness, hygiene, and hospitality. And getting such a high level delegates to come to our state, it's a rare occasion. So we should not only from the government side, from the entire community and citizenry should present the best foot forward so that they go back with good memories, fond memories, and that will help in showcasing and benchmarking and positioning Meghalaya as a prime destination of tourism, investment and development. We would have about 28 startups in the space economy sector participating in the event, and we would also have exhibits by the side of the conference, which is going to be held in Marriott, you all are aware. Apart from the ISRO, Government of India agency, there would be exhibits by the startups also in the space economy industry. We would also showcase our own cultural heritage. There will be cultural events and also stalls from the side of Meghalaya. I would urge the friends from the media also to really reflect the positive aspect of Meghalaya so that the delegates during their visit also see about whatever the vibrancy of our society, goodness of our community, and all our community-based development which we have done so far, which has really positioned us one of the topmost country in community-based preservation, protection of nature and conservation.
On the 15th of April, Garoland State Movement Committee staged a protest rally in William Nagar, East Garo Hills District headquarters, demanding that the Meghalaya Assembly adopt a resolution in the House calling for the bifurcation of the state of Meghalaya. The rally was led by Garo National Council leader and Deputy CEM of GHADC, Nikman CH Marak, and others. According to the GSMC chairman, the meeting has been conducted to adopt a resolution to demand separate state in the Meghalaya State Assembly.
Garoland State Movement Committee dal sumsang griyo jan Khasinews ni headquarter, garulen na public meeting ko ngata, na tentang del barang aro soldier lost call nukma, aro NGOs ni del barang, na ribaha, aro ya Khasinews sudong ko mandirang, sina garulen state movement kabina support kainga. Dia nga resolution ko raha public meeting mo, resolution ara state assembly yo, ya bersio. Meghalaya state ko by bracket ka China resolution ko ra China chini resolution ko rai timan ka anyong iya yaman ko state government na watat ken chini resolution ko aro ya iku chusukan na chusuko jana nga dakal ki tungwang yan yaman sakanti atsik ko support ka China kata formula itel.
In the morning of 15th April, the police of Peninsula along with the Disaster Response Force SDRF from Meghalaya continues their duty to recover the dead bodies buried under the rocks, which was the outcome of a landslide in Rengan on the night of 14th April. The trapped deceased persons were identified as Sebor Jaktung along with his accomplice, who was also an occupant in the vehicle, and both are residents of Wat Lingkhat. The Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Prastun Tinsong, went and visited the place personally and assured that he will look into the matter and experts will arrive shortly to investigate on the flaws and the status of the rocks positioned on the roads. The incident shook the people and taught them that one should be vigilant and avoid treading from unsafe places, especially during the night when vision is not clear.
Malu mana nak kendau nak jerok ni so aku suka dia sini. Kita yang leh. Kita kira ya wat rasa. Jerok. Ada dan option shoot. Mana?
Ketika tua lajur, yementai keba ni berkat tolong kumdo banyo saya kami contoh di arut di rumah keba dia sosial ujian ni dia tin jomata tinggal lah berkat tu komitan atau di kumdo ban pelat dari banlek kekeliran siapa dia ada surau balasai ngal ai ko ada ya itu dia nak sel betul orang expert bagi expert nak saya timuan IIT nak buati ban study bah ban pek bah room akan nak letih beli lah. Amar ko mau pinta lajan sekaliur, nang siwan sekaliur kelak banang ketak susu bon ke kita tenang ada ngopi, tengah ai ko ada bagi nak di expert, kenal bagi non study ya soil condition bagi kini ikat badan kam, tentang siapa yang kau ini.
Ini kincang ni.
Pi kata pi ke pengadun ban kolong ni nak ada mentah nak kalian jongka administration, kinlah ega FIR, but nomor 2 kan ya ka kes ngin study na dong sedong kade kelapsis jong no da kade jong when the charges sel ne de jong tu company ne de jong no ka tangamba parla ban ong menta tenai ai ba ka ai kan trikam tangba mong pi ya kino ki lapsis ki mission ya kata kan pecistong ai kat kum ganti pada pecistong
Agni
lebih ya kata to di visitif dengan sui men ne ko bor pi o makadon ta tenai yang opsi ling 4 kampadon kata gitu. Karena bila kita pelari ni warna sangat, kena bayangan juga ban, ai sangat ada direction. Jadi nak lihat jangan aktif kita. Jadi aku mau fikir ni kebajia, mentah nak lihat jangan kesulitan. But nak lihat jangan kumui mengi jangan ni area ru, minum tiak, minum tristom kumuban. Lek kita kam, namar kawiru kade kam main road kade, kam de masuk namar kala disconnect road ya ka. Ya yang dia kata di tempat tamat. Harga juga for kumau pitang ya ini keliman. Tabang itu kami aku menuban luasa. Ya kabet jom itu baru.
Itu kan tu
Mau pinai bat pada keren dia kata. It's too early to see. Dan tabang opini lah FIR in register case. Nata ai bakahan kan ya. But nakaliang jong araw mandi. Nasa review nasa sim yang review Kalau ya kan ni kadang kata kami onga ARSS. Jadi kita ada kompetisi.
kemud lah ban kau.
Ni pikat bangit padio. Ya, kamet jo gede keramba. Ngin nampak lah bantri. Namar piti baha mentaki rescue team jo ngidon jati. Ki volunteers jo kasnong katau ki don lai siti. Kumasan prongut ki don diberi siti. Te lata kata nang ni kamut kamu. Te nang daw ngihap balak kumno yin pendep soy ka kam kumno banyo ya ka met jom tu biro ma bat hadin nanta yin sasdang bane ban le ka kleran stang balasai yin sawan so ki expert na kalian jom ki expert ban pej bahai kendo ban pej bahai ku syong mau kumno ban le ka ban ta ban syong singai bat bakanom jesu kan ka jing tua nang ni.
The government of Meghalaya, through the Office of the Subdivisional Office Civil, issued a restricting order to the people to commute from roads connecting Shillong Peninsula, especially during nightfall, since the expansion of the road had weakened the position of the rocks that holds it and can at any time cause a landslide with or without warning. The road has lost its strength and durability from Lingkot to Wat Lingkhat, especially the entire Rengan bridge stretching up to a distance of 8 kilometers. On the evening of 14th April, 2 vehicles were trapped and buried under rocks, which was caused by a landslide. 2 persons lost their lives in the unfortunate incident. As a matter of concern, the Hnyutrap Achik National Movement, Riwar East Circle, expressed their rage against the selfish acts committed by the persons involved. They condemned the contractor in charge of constructing the road who had gone against the company instructing him to discontinue the construction. However, he paid no heed to the order and continued the construction of the road, which eventually led to its fall and took innocent lives with it.
Ina kalian ginong ilam jongka Riwar East Circle ni peneremjur ya uni u tensing ubala pentrei jubor ya kani ka surok haduk bala wanra ya ka jingyap breu par ka jing mensau ya ki breu ginong yat nong yang nakali ka lenti syap hakani ka surok rengan pan lecha doki te ni pen pau ka jing sngau lem namta kini ki perdok prasnam jengi ki balangat hakani ka apot ki balangat hakani ka jingjia ka pasngusi ba hadu ba kiladu la ka jing em hakapor ka ba kidang yat lenti nakani ka surok ni sngau premjur yo ni tan sing ba u ma u hi ba la sai la le se ya ka company nomor yo sngau ba ka company u kala mana lupa sebab u pentrei kani kala khang hendrei ulayai sakpat ya kani ka jing pentrei klam ka jing sunyau namata ki brio ki bayat bayang na kani ka lenti namar kani ka jaka ka bala long ba i ma pha du kata-kata ka jing syong kenrong jong ki mau ki ba hakani ka surok tabala isir khai hendrei lingba ka jing khwan mentoy yo le se kila ya cakpat ya kani ka jing pentrei ya kani ka surok hadu ba kalawara ya ka jing duai ya ki mensem ke pokordor jong ka jaj benreu jongi ngisngo ban peremjur bat ni dawa ba nakaliang jong u uni u tensing udai ban siu merdor ya ka bai lutksan ya kini ki perodok prasnam jongi ki bela ngat ha kani ka jing ban jong kini ki mau ya ki ni ka kali hadu ba kalawan ra ya ka jing yap breu hadu bangora ya ke jing do ya ke mensem ke pokordor ke jongki ngisngau ba kum kine ki kinum jiasu nang ne khmat lingba ke jing khwan mentoy jong nu juno klawra panban ya ke jing do jo ki mensem ke pokordor ki bam tip ki ba yai lenti ki ba bapli ki bam don ke ru ka mensem ke ba ha jing bam tip ha ba jing yai lenti la ngat ha ne ka apot ba kila du la mensem ke pokordor ke jongki lingba ka jing trei torti lingba ka jing le donbor ban tang ban mentoy simet kip khenchu ya ka yap ka im jongki weiru tengi sngban peremjur ya kum kide ki jing jia ba ki nang ni sekmat ki num jia shu ndrei lada ki don kinu jing trei ru ki de ban long ki ba pek ngor bat ki de ban long ki ba husiar namata ban perkhat namata ki ba jaj bayang kanang menumura ke jing mensau bat menumura ke jing snusi namata ki wei pat ki brio ki bayat bayang khaptam ha wei dei pat ki jing pentrei ya kinu ki surok la ki jing pentrei ya kinu ki.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.